What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I am going to show you a very easy feature within CapCut to mirror your videos. Right, so if you're currently working on any video project and you someone want to mirror that video clip, then this one button will allow you to do that within CapCut. So you want to drag that video to your timeline. If you don't have a video on your timeline, you can import that video here by simply clicking on import, find that video, and just simply click and open it. Now as you can see, I have a video here and I'm going to simply drag this to my timeline. Now as you can see, this video here and these girls here jumping, having a jolly good time in the summer. They're amazing, they're going for a drink, whatever it is they're gonna do, right, on vacation. Now if you want to mirror this, all you have to do is simply click on this video clip here, and here from the different options here you will find the option that says mirror. So if you click on that, you will see that the video is now mirrored and the girls are from the opposite side. So you can easily go ahead and mirror video clips. So you can choose it, guys, how to do your mirroring within the video. I'm going to simply do a Control B to break the video here so that you can see the first part of the video. The girls are simply going here, and then the second part I'm going to use the mirror option to mirror it just like that. So here you can see one side, then the next side is basically a mirror. And that's all there is to it, guys. One button in the CapCut options here that allows you to mirror your videos within CapCut PC. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.